Good morning, everybody. Here is your Core Bites number 79. So just make sure you check yours. So the first one says, identify each as prime or composite for the numbers. Okay, so let's see. 91, it definitely has more than just itself in 91. So that would be composite. And you could go through your divisibility rules to see all the different ways you could do it. For 51, that one would also be composite because if you add 5 plus 1, you get 6, and then that means you can divide it by 3. So that would be composite. 61, the only thing you can do with that is 1 times 61, so that would be prime. For 81, that one would be composite because that's probably the easiest one on here because y'all should know that 9 times 9 is 81, right? So that one should be the easiest one to know that it's composite. So make sure you use your divisibility rules for that one in case you're not sure about what the others are divisible by. For number 2, 710s would give you 70 hundreds, and if you just write it out, so basically you're saying 700 tens, okay? 700 tens. So if you multiply that out, 700 tens, that would give you 7,000. And then if you do 70 hundreds, so 70 100 times, that would also give you 7,000. So you just have to use multiplication to try to figure out those. Break them into groups. For the fraction, it says which fraction is greatest. So you've got 8 ninths, 7 eighths, and 6 sevenths. Okay, so as you can see, this is the largest denominator. It has 8 pieces, 7 pieces, 6 pieces. But remember, the smaller the denominator, the larger the piece, right? So then there's less that's shaded in because the pieces are larger. So this is actually the largest fraction, 8 ninths. For number 4, Madison has $10. Does she have enough to buy 4 notebooks and 4 pencils? So she wants 4 notebooks, she wants 4 pencils, okay? So you've got to multiply it out to see. So for a notebook, she wants 4 at $2.25 a piece. So 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 2 is 8, 9, 10. 4 times 2 is 8, 9, that's $9. And guys, she only has $10 to start with. So she's only got $1 left. So you can do this in your head. If she wants 4 pencils, they're almost at $1 each. So there's no way she could get 4 notebooks and 1 pencil, but that's it. She could not get all the ones she wants. And then the last one says, sketch a pair of parallel lines. So with parallel lines, you could either do them going this way vertically, you could do horizontal, but the main thing is it's like an interstate. They never touch. They're always running side by side, but they never touch. You could also do diagonal as long as they never touch. Okay? So make sure you check yours.